We are in Black Friday 2023. There are so many WordPress deals going around in the market. Even I have collected over 200 plus Black Friday deals on WordPress, and as well as in digital marketing itself, I have collected more than 500 plus deals for digital marketers, business owners and everything. I will leave those links in the description. But this video is about WordPress. WordPress has a special place in my heart, so I wanted to create one last video covering some of the best deals which I think should be checked out for WordPress when you are a WordPress site owner, blogger, or even you are running a WooCommerce store on WordPress. So in this video I will cover best WordPress hosting, best WordPress themes, best WordPress site builder, best WordPress SEO, best WordPress WooCommerce, and best WordPress site management plugins. Okay, without further ado, now directly go into it. First, we are going to see what are the best WordPress theme hostings available right now. First choice for me is, if you are a small business owner or just starting out in WordPress and you want to find a decent hosting without a lot of downtime or even having so much bad experience, there are so many hosting solutions are available. You will see everything from GoDaddy, Bluehost, SiteGround and everything. But when I see I want to recommend someone a good enough hosting which is comes into a decent budget, and I recommend Hostinger. Hostinger does a lot of good things in my book. It has a good amount of good features, and also it comes under the right budget also. But that does not mean it is the best WordPress hosting solution available, but it is a really good enough solution for most business owners and WordPress site owners. And currently they have deal for another 17 hours which comes under 80% discount and just starts at a very small amount of price. So that is the first choice for hosting. Second, we have A2 hosting. Here this is also a really good web hosting. If I don't choose Hostinger for a small business client, if they don't wish to prefer to choose Hostinger, I will recommend them A2 hosting. This is also really good. Especially I really like their turbo hosting plan, which comes with more optimized resources for WordPress and manage WordPress hosting solution. Again, much more optimization, especially with their A2 optimizer plugin and everything. This comes with a really good hosting solution for WordPress. For again really small business owners or just having normal websites on WordPress, this is really good. Now let me go with the next hosting which I will recommend is called Cloudways. This is one of my personal favorite for managed professional WordPress hosting. This is one of the best hosting for managed, where they have team of experts where they consistently monitor and help you with all sort of WordPress problems, issue. Everything is managed, all the memory, site performance, everything they will help you. And also they provide this cloud hosting through other industry standard servers. What do I mean by that is, like if I click on the hosting discount available right now, rather than they giving out sorry, not this page, let me go into WordPress. Rather than they are using their own servers or something like that, they will give out your option to either choose DigitalOcean or AWS from Amazon or Google Cloud. So we can choose whichever the one we want and proceed with that option as well. Next, we have server avatar. Server avatar is same concept as Cloudways, but we want to manage our site on our own. So what server avatar does is, it helps us to connect to a server in AWS, DigitalOcean, Google Cloud or anything else, and create you just need to install this server avatar hosting panel within that, and you will get control of that huge server and you manage it. And this dashboard of server avatar is really beautiful in my view. I use it for my personal sites and I will create separate video covering on that as well. So if you are looking for a managed hosting panel for your server for WordPress site, This is one I recommend. This it comes up with all SSL light speed optimization and speed recommendation for WordPress, a whole lot more. I will cover this in a separate dedicated video as well. Now we are going to go into covering the best WordPress themes available right now, at least according to my view. First, you all know that I use GeneratePress for all my website. I am really a big fan of their themes. It is very lightweight, but with a lot of features, a lot of customizing option. It is almost compatible with most of the WordPress plugin, and they have huge customer base community also. You can see the number of downloads. Basically, I've been using GeneratePress for more and more, and this is very good in my. It is very lightweight. For example, 7.5 KB page size, and even the old file also very thin, and they are keep on adding more and more features and update for this. So I will just my personal experience, my personal recommendation, I will go with GeneratePress for building any Gutenberg related site. I will choose that. Second, I will say Blocksy. Again, I want to mention I don't have any personal experience because my personal favorite is GeneratePress, but Blocksy is almost like that. Since I have chosen one in my personal usage, I don't use Blocksy that much, but I have to go with my community vote also, because most people who are not using GeneratePress, ideally they might be using Blocksy, because that is also another great optimized Gutenberg based WordPress theme, and they also have a lot of performance orientation features and everything, blocks and everything. So if I'm not using, maybe if I don't have GeneratePress, I would have gone with two Blocksys, but since I have that, I'm not going to do that. But GeneratePress, if you are not using it, maybe this is something you want to check it out. There are a lot of customization and speed optimization, and you can do a lot with Blocksy as well. Another solution in this same class, where it's, if you are wanting to build a website, I would recommend either GeneratePress or Blocksy or Cadence or Astra, but these three are my personal favorite to recommend. Cadence, again, a really good builder theme solution, with you can build a lot of things with it, and they have so many options to improve your WordPress site as well. Again, performance oriented, SEO optimized, and also you can build really great sites with it. So Cadence VP is my next recommendation. Finally, this is not my personal favorite, I have moved on from it, but I just wanted to mention it out. This still, for me, Divi is kind of bulky in my view, but they have been doing a lot of optimization on that part to come up with various solutions, and people still prefer to see Divi because they have so many templates, they have so many started site, and also they have been keep on optimizing. When I see Divi, it is not optimized for speed in my view or minimalistic approach. It is a bulk solution with a lot of features, lot of customization, focused more on user benefits, I would say. You can see there are so much bundles, so much access for templates and all those things. So if you are a person who would like to see this kind of bundles and option with cloud templates and advanced features, functionality, even the accessibility itself, it's much more easy, you might select a Divi for your need, but I personally avoid that. But I just wanted to mention this as well, since there is a demand for Divi as well. Now let me go into blocks based site builder plugin. These are site builder plugin, essentially will work as a theme. So if you have a good enough framework theme such as GeneratePress, Creative, or you just have any simple WordPress theme, you can use these kind of site builder plugins to build out really good site with WordPress. First obvious choice, this can be biased I think, because I'm a GeneratePress user, I go with their blocks plugin as well. They do provide really good quality code. They have so much styling option without affecting speed or usability. I really like their features. Their patterns also keep on growing, and they are doing a great Black Friday sale as well. So this is Generate Blocks. Next, we have cadence blocks for cadence user. You can use it with other themes as well, but they are also having a really good block based builder, which gets my recommendation as well, but I don't have any personal experience with it. Next, we have Elementor. Elementor is kind of like a controversial topic, to be honest, because Elementor, everyone says that it's bulky and they keeps on increasing the price every year. To be honest, it is true, because they have been keep on increasing price, and also it feels bulky when we compare this to the modern based Guten based block builder like GeneratePress and everything. But still, the truth is that Elementor has a huge market, a base. They have huge styles, they have huge templates, they have very easy website builder creating capability, and you can build out really professional looking websites with Elementor in just matter of hours or so. So that brings that still Elementor is still considered as relevant in market, and also they have been optimizing Elementor also. So it's not like VP bakery or something like that where it's just bloatware. You put it into a site, you will essentially know that it is going to slow down your website. But when it comes to Elementor, even though they are a bit bulky in my view, they are still optimizing it, and we can disable certain elements to make it much more faster and create very good professional site without even any beginner experience. Also, you can get started with Elementor. So if you are new to the WordPress community, you want to test it out, I would rather recommend Elementor over GeneratePress, because you need to get some experience with that. Next, we have Grid Builder. This is an advanced block based plugin, which is a personal favorite to me, because I can build advanced grid layout with for dynamic data for blog, portfolio, gallery. The use cases are very spread out, so you can use it for e-commerce, portfolio, blog, resources. They build out really nice different layouts. We can see all the options available for us, and the grid builder works with a lot of integrations also available. I personally use this as well for my site as well. This is another recommendation to create a really good grid sections, dynamic data. If you want to work with all those things, this is really good. Next, we have Croco Block. It is another Elementor and Guten based plugins, which adds more features for that plugin itself. They are been saying that they are focusing more now on Gutenberg and Bricks, but their core plugin is for Elementor. So if you have Elementor, you have this option, like I'm going to select all plugins. You have all these additional plugins which you can add to increase more of your WordPress site functionality. You get I'm just scrolling down, you can see all the different options available for me here as well. This is another community favorite, and I will be creating an in-depth video on this and very soon as well. Next, we have PostX. This is also a Guten based dynamic post builder. You have the ability to control so many dynamic post options here as well, where you can use this Guten based dynamic site builder to create really good and speed optimized sites and layouts for your website for WordPress. So this also gets a vote for me on that terms of department. Next, we have Buddy Boss. This is like, if you want to build a community on WordPress, this is the go-to solution for that, because this has a huge audience base. There are so many community members, and there is a lifetime deal going around. So if you want to build out a WordPress based community, this is one you need to check it out. I don't have a personal experience, to be honest. This is based on community's experience. Next, we are going to be focusing on things we need for SEO for WordPress. First one, SEO Plus, my personal favorite. I have been using it for all my website and client website. SEO Plus team is developing a lot of stuff. They have been experimenting. Even you can see the GPT-4 Vision new feature got added, where I can automatically create images, alternative text for images, and so on. So you just know this team is really good at what they do. We get a really well optimized SEO module for our WordPress, we can disable the things we don't want, we can highlight it, we can create schema stuff with it. We have the link direction, we have link management, broken link management, we have the local business optimization, meta titles, even insights of option where you can get more data within your WordPress site itself. My personal experience really good. I've been using SEO Press for most of my WordPress, not just most, I've been using it like 95%. I think couple of site I still use Rank Math because that is another good product, but I didn't include it in this video since the deal is finished. But SEO Press is my personal favorite. I just blindly go with it for any WordPress site for me to SEO optimize it. Next we have SEMrush. This is another personal favorite for me in SEO tools because I like to use this SEMrush in terms of any keyword research or content research and everything. SEMrush is my go-to SEO tool. I use it for my personal need, my digital agency, as well as for all these videos and everything. So SEMrush is really good to find out keywords, plan out your marketing approach, monitor your website crawling and everything. SEMrush is a personal favorite for me on that department as well. Next we have Surfer SEO. I don't personally use it because I have found a really good alternative lifetime deal for that. I was using it previously, but I have moved away. But still, this is a very versatile tool when it comes to a content optimization. They have so much features to making sure that whatever the content you create with WordPress, that is fine-tuned with SEO user experience, what competitors are doing, to making sure that your content essentially is one of the best in the market. So Surfer SEO is there. You can check out their deal. What I personally use is I use my personal SEO knowledge because I'm really good at SEO, and I, without even knowing, I optimize stuff for SEO with almost most of the software when I'm preparing the content and everything. But when I want to really go about and optimize it, rather than using Surfer SEO, I nowadays go for Neuron Writer. This is a really popular optimizing content platform. It is available on lifetime deal on AppSumo. You just for $89 you can start using it. The interface, it's still not my personal favorite, but it does what it does, it really does it really well. They focus on SEO, it focus on NLP term, it focus on entities, it focus on related keyword, it focus on content audit, it focus on keyword optimizing for several number of times. All these things in real time, it gives all the value. It is also really good to build outline. All these features are coming with this software. My personal favorite for content optimization, content outline and everything. You can check it out. It is on lifetime deal right now. Next we have Link Whisper. This is one of the best internal linking solution for WordPress. We all know SEO powers comes with backlinks. One way of getting backlinks is from outside sources, but the second way of getting backlinks, which is the easy way, is to get the backlink from inside your website itself, because Google treats each web page as a separate entity. So when you get internal backlink from your internal website, you increase your topical authority, you are giving more user experience accessibility, because they can go through different links to go into different pages and everything. So the problems comes when you have thousands or hundreds of pages, because whenever you publish a new post, you don't know what to interlink it, what is the best contents I can link it. Link Whisper takes care of all those things because it automatically gives you smart internal links. It automatically making sure that your internal links are perfect, and it's really good for your SEO and also for user experience. It's good. It will give you all the suggestions you need. Their Black Friday deal is also really good for SEO. Next we are going into WooCommerce. The first one, I know that I really like all the themes which I recommended, and also site builder plugin, and I can build out a really good WooCommerce site, SEO optimized and everything. That is still my personal preference, but if I want to create a quick WooCommerce store which I want to give it out to a client which has a lot of features ready made and I don't need to spend so much time with it, I will go with Flutsum. It is my personal user experience. They are the #1 best-selling WooCommerce theme, I think, from on Theme Forest. You can see they have over 228,000 plus sale, and you can say the reviews is from 7,500 users with 4.82, and they pretty much ticks all the box for me. They are lightweight, they load the site quite well, to be honest, and they have so much e-commerce focused functionality within the website. So I personally use it for some of my small scale WooCommerce client. You can use this to create a really professional e-commerce store site very fast in this. Next, we have Woo plugins. So if you want to include any WooCommerce to improve your WooCommerce store, there are so many plugins here. These are really well done coming with WooCommerce, right? So there are so much variations available, so much options available, and you can automatically come here and they are offering a flat 40% discount. So I would recommend you to check it out. Maybe something interests you and you can pick up it from here. So this is directly coming from them. Next, we have Product X. So let me close that. Product X is another really it is coming from the same developer as PostX, which I explained for the site builder. This is Product X basic concept, but for WooCommerce store, where you have the total control of your WooCommerce store. You can change it, you can customize it, you can create really great WooCommerce store pages, product pages, and everything. I will create a separate video on this as well. So the main good things about this is Gutenberg based, block based, and very optimized and very speed, and looks really good on mobile and responsive as well. So it gives you total control on that as well. Next, we have cart flows. This is like the industry favorite when it comes to funnel building on your WooCommerce stores. Like if you want to increase the sales, you want to get so many features on cart abandonment, split testing, order bumps, upselling, and everything, you go with cart funnel. This is one of the most most used or most demanded solution in the industry. I didn't find the right word for it. This is that option. You can check it out, but my personal favorite is not cart flow, funnel kit. I have used this in past. I have built out canvas sales funnels with this. I have created order bumps. This does what it does really good. This is my personal favorite, and they are doing the Black Friday going in 15 hours. They also comes up with optimized checkout pages, one-click upsell, order bump, A/B testing, leader generation, and lot more options as well. So this is my personal favorite for funnel pages, and you can check out this as well. Next, we have Solid Affiliate. Like it is on a lifetime deal. This is something which is a competition for the biggest affiliate plugin for WordPress. They are the Solid Affiliate right now. They are really good at what they do. They have a lifetime deal. They cover almost all the important aspect of your WordPress affiliate marketing really well. So if you have a WordPress product you are selling in can be a physical or a digital product, and you want to use affiliate marketing to promote your product or your store, go ahead with Solid Affiliate. It's a lifetime deal, and you can possibly get so many marketers promoting your product as well. Next, we have Easy Digital Download. This is a e-commerce plugin if you are looking for digital stuff. So rather than physical product, if you want to sell ebooks, WordPress plugin, PDF documents, and everything, go with Easy Digital Download. It has so much cool features. It's also an industry standard as well. So if you go with it, you will get all the necessary for digital selling in WordPress. Next, we are going to go with site management. Now we have seen so many functionalities comes to the WordPress. Now let's see some of the things we need for site management with WordPress. These are my personal favorite. There are so many tools, plugins for this, but these are my personal favorite. First, we have VP Vivid Backup and Migration plugin. I use this plugin to backup all my WordPress site schedulely, and also I use this plugin to migrate my WordPress website from one hosting to another hosting, or from a demo or the development environment to the live website, or from moving one domain to another domain. All these things are done through VP Vivid Backup. This is another really good plugin. I use it a lot. There's a good competitor also, but I use this really well, so I wanted to recommend this as well. You can check out Updraft Plus also. That is also a really good one. VP Rocket. So if you want to optimize your website for speed and making sure that everything loads fast for your user, this is the most premium feature plugin available on the market right now. The free alternative is Lightspeed Cache. It is also really good. I will create a separate video for that as well. The premium one, if you want to go with the best in the market, VP Rocket does that really good as well. I will cover this as well in a different video, so you can check it out. But let's say, for example, you want to a minimalistic approach for WordPress optimization. You are a person who does not wish to a bulk kind of solution inside your WordPress, then this is the minimalistic optimization plugin I can recommend to you. This is called Performatus, and it is a really good lightweight WordPress plugin to optimize your WordPress speed for users. Will create a separate video for this as well. Probably I will create separate video for all the things which I recommended right now, because these things I believe in on WordPress. Next, I am going to say Fluent Forms. This is a form plugin for WordPress, very lightweight, lot of features available, and really good coding as well. It is very optimized. You can create a lot of forms with it, from email collection to contact form or gathering quotation forms, service, and everything. You can do this with the Fluent Form. Really good at what they do. I am personally using this on most of my site as well. So Fluent Form for WordPress forum solution. Next, we have Ninja Table. This is a personal favorite of mine to create all sort of HTML dynamic tables with WordPress. So many functionalities are available, from customization to advanced CSS styling, through to connecting Google Sheet. So whenever I make any changes on Google Sheet, it is appearing on my site. My main website, Saspirate, is solely built out from Ninja Table. It possibly, I can say that it cannot exist with Ninja Tables, because that is the main functionality of the website. So I use this plugin a lot, and a personal favorite of mine to create tables within WordPress site, comparison chart tables and everything you can create with Ninja Tables. This is a personal favorite. VP Code, another personal favorite plugin for me. I've been using this plugin for just past 1 year. As soon as I wanted to get onto more code and create more tools within my website, for small tools to get the extra benefit when it comes to SEO and functionality, I got started using VP Code, because I've been using GeneratePress. As I mentioned, GeneratePress as all the coding part also within the theme itself. We can use elements with GeneratePress and create those things. So I never had a use for a plugin like this, but since I've been creating dedicated web tools within my website, I've been using this plugin a lot. So this also get a personal recommendation, where you can use this plugins to have header, footer script, conversation pixel, custom code snippet, and lot more snippets, library, and code also. So this is also a really good one. Last but not least, I wanted to share a Public Connect also. This is also on lifetime deal, because it helps you to integrate your WordPress site through to a lot of different SaaS, lot of different solutions available. I wanted to open up this particular page because I didn't want to show the pricing page, because you can check it out by clicking on the link in the description. But I wanted to show you that what is the power behind it. Like, I can technically connect my WordPress site with all these different softwares and solution with Public Connect. So I'm just going to scroll down. You can see how many solutions are available. I can connect my WordPress site to all of this. Like you can see, like I can say when this happens within my WordPress site, do this. I can do all this kind of stuff with Public Connect. There are so much functionality available for WordPress integration. So this is a personal favorite to connect WordPress with thousands of different types of applications, SaaS and everything. So those are the things I wanted to cover in this video. There are over 400 plus deals. I just wanted to create a last minute video to share my experience of some of the best things which I see as WordPress need to when we having a WordPress site. So I hope this video was useful. If you liked any of these deals, just let me know in the comment, or if you prefer other deals on WordPress which you think are good, let me know in the comment as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and leave a like if you really like the video. I have repeated that twice. Hopefully I will get the like right now. Once again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.